So this is the fifth video in a video series, and I'm going to show you how to get game assets. Game assets are images, sounds, music, different things. Now, fifth video in a series. Now, sometimes you would like to make a game. You would like to put some good art in the game, put back some good backgrounds, some good characters. So you could go to this website. It's called kenny.nl/assets. Then you can find different types of assets and download them. So for example, if I would like these assets, I could come here and then I would get them download. So Kenny will give you different types of assets. If you want all, you want 2D assets, maybe you want audio assets. Let me see which audio. Impact audio. Maybe you want to, when it hits something, you want to hear the sound impact. So you can play the impact audio. So you could play the impact audio. So different types of audios which you would like to play the impact audio. So I could download this impact audio. Then I would save it. Okay. Then in my case here it would be downloaded. It's there. So Kenny has different types of assets. It has 3D assets. It has 2D assets. It has all assets. Even it has UI assets. Then you could come to opengameart.org. Now opengameart.org has different types of art which you could maybe need to use. There's also different sounds which you would want to use, textures, there's different musics, 2D art, 3D art, 4D art and what, but this art should not use it for NFTs. Now you could come to the noun project. Now the noun project has different types of icons which you would like to use. There's some pictures. Net probably would need to use them somewhere. So if you would like some icons which you would want to use maybe at your starter page, so you can come here and look for them. Then you can come to Pixabay. Now, Pixabay has different types of art. Some really nice looking art. You can come and download the art and use it for different things you would like to use it for. And that is Pixabay. Now you could come to game icons. If you want more icons, you could find them here. Different types of icons. Maybe you want a dragon icon. This looks like a rob icon. This one looks like a Greek Sphinx icon. A dungeon light icon. This looks like a Anubis icon. So if you want different types of icons, you could come here. This is an owl icon. This one looks like a goblin, a badger, a warlord helmet. So different types of icons. You can come here to gameicons.net. Then if you want illustrations from old books, you can go to oldbookillustrations.com and you look at these different illustrations from old books, and then you could use them in your games if you would like. I think in this case they are copyright free because I think the copyright ended. They're really old books, so you could use this art from those old books in your games. Now if you would like to use different sounds, you can go to soundeffect.bbc.win.org.uk. Now these sounds here, they are which you will get from different categories of sounds. You will like toy sounds, military sounds. These sounds are copyright. I mean, you can use them for educational purposes, but you can't use them for commercial purposes, I think. Yeah. So you can come here and look for different sounds that you want. If you want animal sounds, you can come here and look at different animal sounds, and then I can download the animal sounds if I would like. So this is if you would like sound effects. Now, if you would like also different resources, you can go to pywiki.readthedocs.io, this URL. And then you can You can come here and look at different resources. You can come here for textures, 3D models, 2D graphics, video tutorials, sound effects. You can come here for some music, for some fonts, for some icons, finding collaborations. Or if you don't know something and you would like to do it, maybe you can come here to look for some libraries. Maybe you want to know how to package your game. Maybe you need to look for something that you don't know how to do. You could come here and try to look for it and see where you could find it. So that is in relation to game assets. So in game assets, you can go to Kenny for different 2D, 3D audio and some UI. You can come to Open Art, look for some resources you want. Go to the Noun project, look for resources. You can come to Pixabay for some pictures if you like them. You can come here for some icons. Go to All Book Illustrations for illustrations from all books. Come to BBC for some sound effects. The sound effects, you're not allowed to use them for commercial purposes. Then come here to Game Art to look how to do different things in Pygames or PyWiki. So yeah, that is how the video goes. Thank you for watching.